What's up, everybody? This is FrogZilla, and I'm getting ready to rewire my controls. I'm not going to video the whole thing. I hate wiring, I hate soldering, so we'll see how it turns out. Okay, I got some shrink tubing on there. Now it's time to cut the wires, start tying it together. Well, y'all, it's an hour and a half later, and I've hooked everything up just like, okay, these are aftermarket wires, so the wires don't match up. So these are the old controllers. I got this open, so I know where, hold on, let me get my damn stupid finger out of the way. So I know where all these wires are going. I got it hooked up according to the old switches, and I'm getting nothing. But I've also got a dead battery, apparently. But even after hooking it up to the battery charger, which usually it'll start it, it won't start. So, until tomorrow. So the wiring goes. I hate wiring. This is FrogZilla saying peace out.